Lesson 9-2, multiplying fractions and whole numbers. Brandon has 6 eggs. He needs 2/3 of the eggs to make an omelet. How many does he need? So with these, I always like to draw a picture because those are going to be the easiest way to understand. So we know he has 6 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he needs 2/3 of these. So when I think of the number 2/3, this number here is how many I need, and this here is the number of groups that we're going to make. So I need to make 3 groups, which means I need to put this in 3 circles. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. So now I have my 3 groups, and how many of those groups do I need? I need 2 of those groups. So I need 1 group and 2 group. So how many eggs is that? That's 4 eggs. So that's kind of how you can help yourself, is drawing those pictures. Now, the mathematical way to do that would be 6 times 2/3. Now I want to talk about this. If I had 6 times 1/3, what would that be? We did that yesterday. That would be 6/3, right? You're multiplying this times the numerator, but your denominator stays the same. Same process here. 6 times 2 is 12. Denominator stays the same. Now we can simplify. And we can do that by decomposing our fraction. So we have 3/3, 3/3, that's 6/3, that's 9/3, that's 12/3, that's 1 whole, 2 whole, 3 whole, 4 whole. That gives me 4 wholes. So they're the same answer. Okay, let's do some practice with that. So if I have 3/4 of 8, of is always going to mean multiply. So if I have 3/4 of 8, again, I can take my 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I need 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I want to shade in 3 of those groups. 1, 2, 3. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My answer should be 6. So you can always use this strategy. 3/4 times 8, that would mean I'm doing 3 times 8, which is 24/4. If you break that apart, you get 6. So either way you want to do it works for me. Now, of course, when you start getting into like the 28s and 42s, your pictures are going to get a lot larger, but they're still possible. I want to do this one here, 3/4 of 12. I'm going to do it both ways. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I want 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to shade in 3 of those groups. 1, 2, 3. And then what does that equal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my answer should be 9. 3/4 times 12 is 3 times 12 is 36/4. And then if you break it apart, you're going to get 9 wholes. So both of those are correct.